Hey guys, happy Friday and welcome back into the channel. I hope you're having a great day so far. Bitcoin took a massive hit yesterday. The price plummeted way below $23,000, and honestly guys, it's a bit scary. Lots of longs were liquidated, but there really is nothing to be worrying about. It's crypto as usual, business as usual, and year to date Bitcoin has done fantastic, all the way from 16.6k up to highs of 25k. So it's been a strong start to the year, I would say. Bitcoin history, yes, we are now seeing red flash for March, which is a bit of a shame, but we're just at the very start of March. Now there could still be some more downside potential here because of some news around Bitcoin. Great January. February was rather break even. March has been red now. What could April be? That's still a big question mark. So let's unravel the markets together. If you're new to this channel, you right there, do subscribe and like this video. So crypto still sitting above $1 trillion. In terms of the market capital, which is of course a good thing, the last 24 hours we have seen a drop for many major top 100 cryptocurrencies, which isn't a great thing. Some coins have actually pumped, more desirable coins for buying, like Syncs, IMX, layer 1 infrastructure tokens, but overall right now the sentiment is rather bearish and fearful. When you're fearful, the logic is invalidated every single time. So Bitcoin Ether dropped 5% in massive sell-off as market continues to digest Silvergate. Bitcoin plunged to 22.2k and Ethereum hit 1.5k as crypto tumbled during the opening hours of East Asia trading. Crazy stuff right here. Institutions are a bit jumpy as Silvergate seems to be having issues. The rapid sell-off took a toll on major crypto exchange, Coinbase, and also the share price. More on that just later. Bitcoin's price fell to an intraday low of $22,000. It's really low. And of course, looking at this price chart, it was just a huge, massive daily wick all the way to the downside. Looked rather bearish indeed. If you're new to the channel, guys, and you want updates on these particular trading calls, guys are making some money on my long and short positions here, and if you want these sort of calls just like this, like a 25x leverage trade right here, and the signals are very simple to follow. The Bitcoin one from yesterday was this one here with the entry and all the setups here that you need, guys. You can become a patron that is linked down below for you. It's just as low as £8 per month. It's literally the price of chips and burgers at McDonald's. So if you'd rather have trading benefits and other exclusive benefits, please do check out the Patreon link down below. That really helps. So let's continue with some stories. Crypto fear and greed index is 50 right now, so we've got neutral sentiment in the market. People aren't afraid, but people are not too greedy at the same time. Looking at some tweets, you can also see bullish news. Every time there is bearish price action, there's always something crazy to hit the markets again. The narrative is always trying to be washed or reversed the other way around. So UAE economic free zone to accept Bitcoin and Lightning payment for services, including rent and registration. So that's really cool. And some more news here. Just looking really at on-chain data, we can see according to Into the Block, Bitcoin just broke through a major demand zone at 23k. So to resume the upward trend, it must break through 23.7k, otherwise the bears might be in full control once again. So that's something to also be looking out for, guys. Bitcoin MACD as well, the bearish crossover did happen here, as we can see, and usually that's like a death cross. Unlike the golden cross, this is a bit of a death cross. So we're now starting to see some rollover. We're gonna look at some price targets very soon for Bitcoin and where I think it could drop to, but for now we're just gonna look at some news. This one really tickles me. I know what we're all thinking, Bitcoin. The bar pattern. Because we are seeing this spiky consolidation right now. We don't know if it's going to go up or down. It could go up, it could go down. Coinbase shares $63 the last day. Well, the last month it's just been dropping more and more. $64 came down to a low just yesterday, I think. Yeah, March to $58. So crazy volatility. There's already been a recovery in the stock price, but it's not great to see this particular thing happen, especially as the trading ceases for the 4th of March for Coinbase as well. So Silvergate Afterbank warns about its viability. Cryptocurrency heavyweights including Coinbase Global Inc. and Galaxy Digital on Thursday dropped Silvergate Capital Corp as their banking partner after the lender's latest filing raised questions about its ability to stay in business. Of course, had a deleterious effect on the stock price and in turn also hit crypto pretty hard at the same time. If you're new to the channel, guys, we're also looking at some pre-sales, some ICOs, coins that haven't even launched yet, like Fightout, Robot Era, Metaverse, augmented reality presale, and C+ charge blockchain solution. Those 3 links are plugged down below for you. It's your first block to doing your own research. Remember, this is not financial advice, but these coins could potentially make you some money. So yeah, we're gonna just resume with the markets. What's going on? Let's go back into Bitcoin. Do apologize for the voice. I'm a bit ill right now. I had a bit of COVIDness not long ago, so we'll keep that on the low. But you know, we keep pushing, we keep growing, we keep learning. The Bitcoin USDT unfortunately fallen out of this ascending triangle pattern, and we might see some more negative continuation back down to $22,100. And what's really interesting is looking at the trading setup over the last few days. It's just been so interesting. In my opinion, this isn't a bad thing, and I actually called for this diagonal support here that we could potentially retest 22k, and it did happen. So we lost the ascending channel here. We lost this ascending channel with a massive daily red candle just yesterday. And maybe we are going to get a bit of recovery similar to this one here, because the last time it did occur, you know, the price came down. We lost about, from the top of the wick, we lost about only 6% really. Top of this wick came down, looking at another 6% drop. Are we potentially going to get a few days trading sideways, then another bullish reversal? Very, very possible. If we do lose the support, we could be looking at 21.3k as well as another price target. So I'm very interested to see what might happen with this particular play out. Let me know down in the comments what you think could also happen, of course, with this particular news right here. So yeah, guys, that's the main gist of it. To be honest, you know, Bitcoin has just unfortunately lost its support level, which is why we've seen so many long positions liquidated, because of course the bulls were getting a bit too hopeful. Look at the size of that candle on the 4-hour time frame. Looking at the Bollinger Bands, we can see we are pretty underextended. We're at the very bottom of this Bollinger Band, and on the daily, didn't quite get to the bottom. So it wasn't as volatile as the previous crash that we had at the beginning of February, but it was still, you know, it was due. It was either moving down or up, and unfortunately, you know, time has told us that it was a downward movement. We hit that 22k bottom, and now we just need to see some more steady accumulation around here. So now you are up to date with the crypto markets. I think we should target 25.2k by April. But remember, we could lose this 22k support level and come down to 21.3 quite easily. If you did enjoy this video, do subscribe to the channel. That's right, you right there. Click that subscribe button, like and comment, and let me know what you think. And please find yourself in the Discord down below, where we're exploring all things DeFi, trading, news-based pumps. We've just got a general chat where everyone is kind of hanging out and chilling out together, tournaments, quizzes, and so much more. So hopefully see you there. Thanks for watching this video and have a blessed weekend. See you later, guys. Bye for now.